everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carrion, and today we're gonna talk about an awesome topic, how to overcome procrastination. So pay close attention. Do you ever feel like you have a million things to do, but you just can't start? Do you check social media, reorganize your desk, or suddenly decide to learn a knit? You're not lazy, you're procrastinating, and it's not about being bad at time management. It's an emotional problem. It's your brain avoiding a negative feeling, like fear of failure, boredom, or the overwhelming size of a task. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 3 simple strategies to stop putting things off and start getting things done. Number 1, the smallest step. The biggest barrier to starting is that the task feels too big. We look at the right 10-page report. Our brain shuts down. The solution is to trick our brain. Use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I only have to work on this for 5 minutes. That's it. Anyone can do 5 minutes. The simple action breaks into inertia. Most of the time, once you're in the flow after those 5 minutes, you'll keep going. If not, stop and try it again later. But you've won because you started. Even better, break your task down into one tiny, clear action. Don't put study for test on your list. Put open the textbook and read the first paragraph. Make the starting line as close as possible. Strategy 2, task pairing. This is about making the undesirable task less painful by pairing it with something you actually like. This technique works best if you pair a must-do list with a to-do list. For example, if you hate folding laundry, only let yourself listen to your favorite podcast while you're doing it. The key is to limit the enjoyable activity to a difficult task. The brain quickly creates an association. To get a reward, the podcast; to have to do the work, the laundry. You can use this for almost anything. Only drink your favorite coffee while you pay bills. Only watch YouTube videos while you're on the treadmill. This creates a little bridge of pleasure over the river of pain. Strategy 3, the social contract. If you're only accountable to yourself, it's easy to bail. We don't want to disappoint others, so we use that pressure to our advantage. We can set a public deadline, tell a friend, a family member, or a colleague the exact time you want to finish a task. Ask them to follow up. You'll be much less likely to delay if you know someone else will ask, did you finish it? For major projects, try body doubling. This is a concept where you work on a task at the same time as your friend works on theirs. Even if it's over a video call, you don't have to talk. The presence of another person is often enough to keep us focused. The social contract uses external validation to give you a little push you need, turning private procrastination into public accountability. So remember, procrastination is not a flaw in your character. It's a failure of motivation. Your challenge today is to pick one task you've been avoiding and apply the 5-minute rule. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!